If you're looking for ISAs and marketing, please contact J. Lopez Enterprise, servicing all 50 states. Welcome to Let's Talk About It. I'm Jimmy Mortgage, your favorite lender. So Let's Talk About It is a platform that talks about financial literacy, homeownership, anything about entrepreneurship. This is a platform that expands on it. Today, we're going to be speaking about mortgages and this product specifically, what is used to help get into homes, right? And this is a unique product. However, I have a special person here to explain, special person to explain about what HomeFundIt is and what it does and how it empowers one when it comes to down payment assistance. So let me introduce my friend, Marie. Hey,
hi,
how are you?
What's going on? I'm well. How are you?
And by the way, she's from Nashville.
So I should say, hi, y'all. How are y'all doing?
That part.
Do you like was it Forrest Gump when he's on the boat and he's like...
what, that was what, Bubba?
No, I think the boat's name was Ginny, right?
Yeah, right.
But like, there's that meme of like where it just says hi and he's like this.
I haven't seen that. I was like, that movie's like 15 years old, or more than 15. Yeah,
I'm 80, so
yeah,
it makes sense why I know that reference.
Like okay, here you go. Holla.
Thanks.
So Marie, tell me what HomeFund is all about. Tell me what it's doing and how you are going to make it do what it do when it comes to HomeFundIt.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. So basically, HomeFundIt is a great product that CMG offers for first-time homebuyers. And basically, as long as you're a first-time homebuyer,
right,
or let's say if you are applying for a mortgage, you and an additional person, as long as one of the two people on there is a first-time home buyer, then technically you both get the benefits.
Right.
So the only other stipulation is that the program requires that you complete Homebuyers Ed prior to contract.
Right.
So
which isn't a big deal.
Yeah.
No.
Right. But guess what you get if you complete those check boxes?
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it. So CMG offers a 2-for-1 match on any contribution added into the donation platform.
Okay.
Up to $2,000.
Okay.
So, or 1% of the purchase price, whichever the lesser. But as everybody knows, like today's home prices, the majority of them are going to be above the $200,000 mark. So the majority of people do get the $2,000 lender credit.
Okay. Because, you know, to what you were alluding to, right? The 2-for-1's a great deal because, again, down payment is a challenge in today's environment when it comes to home ownership.
Right.
Right. And so what better way to have friends and family tap into a bucket that allows you to get to that price, right?
Yeah.
Of home, right? Like everyone's trying to find different ways to get into home ownership. And we at CMG have a product without government assistance to get you into home ownership. We need to talk about that because a lot of people, when they think of down payment assistance, they always think it's a government thing. No, we have something called HomeFundIt.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, actually so I talk to a lot of customers every single day, and that's one of the top questions I actually get is, is this government assistance?
Right.
Where's my free money? I'm like,
where's your free money?
Bag it up, bag it up.
Full bag.
If anyone's getting free money here, it's me, but.
Right.
No, so basically the $2,000 or up to $2,000 for legality reasons, I have to say that. But no, that's CMG's gift to you just for using us as your lender for your first purchase.
Right.
And people are kind of like, well, what's the catch on that? Like, why would you do that? And basically, we hope that you keep coming back to us.
Right.
And we know that once you do have your first home, there's different options that you could do, like refinancing, or, I mean, I'm not licensed, so I can't get into all that. But
no, it's okay.
We hope that that we keep your business after that.
Keep the relationship, right?
Why not?
Why not? And the thing is, too, right? Honestly, the return for us is that you tell us that you work with CMG to help you get your home. That's our win, right? Yeah, work with CMG, you're going to get your loan. Work with Jimmy Joseph to help you get the loan, right? Help you get the loan, right? That's the part.
Help me help you.
Yeah, exactly, right. Again, because we go back and forth all the time. We're hearing people saying, well, I'm not going to do it. I don't know. I'm scared to put $1. I'm scared to put money into something that, what if I don't buy the home?
Sure.
What happens to that?
No,
Let's
that's
talk about
a
that part,
great
right?
question.
Right.
So a lot of people do have that question.
Right.
Where are my funds held? What's going on with it? You have complete access to those funds at any point.
Right.
So let's say you have someone donate $100 to it. Something happens and you're not able to like follow through with a mortgage right now,
Right.
or whatever, you know, different scenarios. You can pull those funds out and move it into your bank account at any point. You
right.
have complete control over what's donated in. The only thing that will not transfer over is the lender's credit,
Right.
obviously,
Right.
because
Because we're giving you something. You can't take your credit and take your money at the same time,
you
right?
can only use it towards your closing
purchase of your home.
costs.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Okay. And so to be fair, to be very specific, your closing cost is different from your down payment, right? Your down payment is attributed towards what you're going to be using, and the remaining becomes your loan balance. The contribution that we give towards your closing costs are the fees, vendors, all parties that are involved to help you getting this home, right?
Yeah.
That's important to make it.
Well, to add to that, so sometimes obviously different scenarios for
Right.
different purchases. I've never seen two that are the same.
Right.
Some sellers will cover all closing costs. If you can finagle that into the transaction, yes, honey, get it done.
There you go.
Get your seller to pay for all of it.
Right.
So in the event that that does happen, we will actually buy down the rate, like whatever you're locked in at,
Right.
we can buy that down with the lender's credit of up to $2,000.
So now we're solving what home affordability is all about, right? So let's not talk about this whole 50-year mortgage that they put out there. Look, yeah, it's just adding that.
I don't even think I'm going to be alive in 50 years.
Yeah.
At 80, I don't think I'm going to be alive for 50 years. So
80 looking like this, yo. Are you an avatar?
just a lot of Botox.
No.
Like a lot of Botox.
So to that point, right? It's like, look, the challenge is always down payment, right? The challenge is, how do I get ahead? The challenge is, can I afford it?
I mean, I can't shake out a shoe
Right.
and come up with 20 grand personally.
No.
Like, it's just not doable.
Yeah, and so this product allows you to get in front of people. I think
Yeah.
the challenge is some are scared to ask for help. But I look at it this way. If you can ask to go to help with your wedding,
Yeah.
right? And that person cannot make it, but you're saying, hey, can you help with my wedding? Why don't you just ask the same question? I won't be going to your wedding, but can I help you add to my house, right? If it becomes communal, why not? It one more step getting in front of that house, right?
So here's my thing about utilizing any kind of like donation platform for your wedding.
Okay.
If you really want the house, like you're like, this is what I want, this is my future, don't register for any other thing. Keep it very specific. So I always use that analogy, like every Christmas, my family's like, what do you want for Christmas?
Right.
Every year I say the same thing.
Here's the link.
Well, for me,
Right.
it's Amazon gift card.
Right.
Every year. Well, no, but what do you want? I'm like, girl, Amazon gift card. That is what I want.
Right.
And it's the craziest thing. Do you want to know what I get every year for Christmas?
Let's talk about it.
Amazon gift card.
Well, because you asked for it, right? As you ask, you shall receive, right?
People who love you and want to help you out, they're going to give you what you want and what you need. So
Right.
when you're very specific about it and you're like, no, I want a house
Right.
and here's how you can help me get what I want. Don't like flutter it with all the like fluff. Yeah, like if
right?
they have like 10 different options for a registry,
Right.
you've got a 1 in 10 shot of like actually getting towards what you want. So
Right.
if you know that this is what you want, this is your goal, I've already got all the crap, I
Right.
just want the house. Make it very specific. I just want
Want
the
the
one
house.
thing. Yeah.
And here's the link to attribute towards the house,
You're
right?
welcome.
Exactly. And I think, too, the great thing about this, right, and some people may have they'll make the case, well, if I put it into a bond or some other investment vehicle, I'll get a better return. Yes, you're probably correct. But what about what about when you put it into something where you know their goal is to get the house, and every day or every week or every minute they're watching that balance increase because friends and family are tapping into that bucket.
Yeah.
I think that's a better return, especially dealing with some of the millennials. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, guys. Look, accountability is good, but when you see that graph goes up because people are helping, you're more inclined to reduce some of your spending to add to that balance so you can get to the home, right?
I got a bond one time,
Right.
and I had to like wait 7 years for it to mature.
7 years.
Yeah.
Oof.
And that was just for it to mature. It didn't even like get interest on it. So.
Your facial expression says it all. Your you said, what?
Work for me now, Botox. Don't let it show the disappointment going on right now. Lord.
If you're looking for a title company that's easy and no headaches at closing, please contact Alan, Chief of Staff at Simplicity Title. They're covering the state of New Jersey. That's what I'm saying, right? It's just like, again, we're giving you a vessel to home ownership. I mean, like, look, again, not everything's going to be solved, but why not ask for help, especially when you know there can be challenges getting that first step to home ownership, right?
Yeah.
The affordability is a challenge. So we're solving it. We at CMG are solving it. We're telling you, here's the link, here's your contributions you can make, and share with friends and family to get to the home. I mean, like, we're solving the problem.
But also, you're welcome.
Yeah. You're welcome. You're like, yeah.
But also,
You're
you're welcome.
That's true because,
Yeah.
again, it's that simple. We're not overcomplicating it, right? We're not telling you maybe you may not get it or no, you get everything you attribute towards the balance to help you get home, right? To help you get a home, excuse me, to help you get home. That was bad English. But to help you get in front of a home.
I understood what you meant. I understood.
Oh, you know.
But so, and like, here's another question I get all the time. Well, what if I just use GoFundMe?
Right.
What about that? And I'm like, no, you could do that. That's
Right.
an option. Let me tell you why it's a bad option.
Go ahead.
So
Let's talk about it.
basically, you're not going to get the 2-for-1 lender credit.
Right.
Oh, and they're going to take out a commission. I don't know if it's a commission fee, but like
There's a fee.
there's
You're using a
it's like-
platform.
it's 3%.
Right.
Does HomeFundIt have that? No.
No,
Nope.
not that I know
Like
of.
any money that's put into your campaign, that's your money.
That's your money.
We're not doing anything with
Right.
it. We don't want to like take from you. We're only here to give you a tool to help you become a first-time home buyer.
So the question would be, how easy is it, how easy it's accessible to get home funded? Can you explain that to my Let's Talk About It community?
Do you have a phone?
I think so.
Yeah.
This?
Maybe.
Oh, right.
Oh, hello. Wing, wing, hello.
Hey, how you
yeah.
doing?
Yeah.
What's up?
Hi. If you have a phone, computer, you can get it.
You can get it.
Yeah, basically. So you actually have on your Jimmy Joseph CMG Home Loans,
Right.
you have your own HomeFundIt site with you. So if you want to put that link down below, so put the link down below. People can literally click on the link, click on the link,
Right.
and start a HomeFundIt campaign like that.
That simple.
Yeah.
And you can share the same link to friends and family.
Yeah, well, you'll get your own unique URL.
Right.
You can customize it if you want.
Right.
If not, that's cool too, whatever. But yeah, so basically a really great way once you get that link, I have like a family chat, I have like friends chats.
Right.
Take that link and be like, hey guys,
Right.
I kind of did a thing, boop, and
Right.
just put it in the chat.
Just like that. It's just that simple.
That's what I did.
No, well, I think, look, again,
That's what I did.
like, when people like to overcomplicate things and like, what's the catch? What's
Yeah.
the gimmick? Like, you're lying to me. I'm giving you something. I don't know if I'm going to get it back. Why should I trust Jimmy Joseph? Why should I trust CMG?
And that's your prerogative if you
Right.
want to think that way. But go ahead and miss out. That's not my fault.
Right.
Yeah.
If I'm giving you a key to something,
Take it.
take it, right?
Yeah.
Especially when
I'm giving
give-
you a lifeline.
Right.
Go ahead and use it. Or
Why
you can
not?
swim. I don't know how great of a swimmer you are. Let's go.
The
Let's
swimming
go.
part, yeah, I need swimming practices though. My
I
family
went the
knows how to
arm
swim. I don't know.
floaties personally.
I am that guy. Yeah, I'm like, and like, yo, this big guy jumping in the pool. I look real crazy and clumsy, but you know, it is what it is. My kids still make
We would
fun
like
of
to
me.
see that. I
No,
think I can
no.
speak for everyone when I
No.
say we just want to watch.
Not
Arm
with-
floaties and all. Just
Not with my dumb ass. No. But it. Speaking of swimming lessons, I do need to take some swimming lessons to improve on my strokes. My kids here,
so if
like, yo,
anyone
Dad, you
has
killing
like
me.
if anyone can hook him up with a good instructor.
Yeah.
Comment down below. You just comment down below. Let us know. Hook us up. Help me help you for giving you the gift of HomeFundIt. Jimmy needs to swim.
Yeah, and the scary thing is, my daughter's a national swimmer, right? And And yeah.
Stop.
It is brutal. Yeah.
Why don't you just ask her? Like, hey,
I
for
don't
Christmas
know.
this year, Marie wants an Amazon gift card and Jimmy wants swimming lessons.
You would think the tuition I paid for her to go to school, she would help me with that.
No, I would think with the tuition, you would have sat and watched enough matches where you like picked up on what's going on. But I don't know.
No.
What do I know?
It's one of those things. So, prior to joining CMG, you was a sole proprietor, right? And that was?
I was a realtor.
Right. Oh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, you know how important relationships are with lenders when it comes to satisfying
Definitely
that client, right?
Yeah.
So how can realtors take advantage of this to educate their clients?
So there's actually, we have our own realtor portal,
right?
That they can go and basically start their own portal for themselves,
right.
Where like, let's say if they have a first time home buyer, they're like, hey, here's my link as your realtor.
Right.
Whenever you sign up with that realtor,
mm-hmm.
basically they're just shown down below. The customer actually gets their own, again, unique URL that
right.
they can use for their, donation platform. But yeah, so like a realtor can have their own access to all their customers, all their clients, and it's all right there.
Okay.
But what's really cool about the realtor portal is that they actually have the option, if they want to do a one-to-one match,
okay.
that's an option that they can opt into as their thank you gift to their client.
Boom, a thank you gift. You can add to that bucket, and boom, your client is also getting the key to home ownership.
Let's go.
Let's go. I mean, like, this is a tool that has all access points, again, to get to home ownership. We're solving the down payment problem. Well, I mean, like, real talk, we are solving the down payment problem because friends and family can contribute. Even colleagues, peers, like anyone, however, can contribute.
The only person that cannot is basically the lender. So you cannot, but all of you could.
Right.
Yeah.
I can help with the numbers.
Yes, and you cannot self-contribute. Like, that's also no. Basically, you cannot self-contribute, and your lender, because there's already a match given in, they can't, like, pitch in more of their, like, own money. It's kind of like a big no-no.
No, we're not breaking no laws.
Yeah.
No. We just want you to get the house.
I mean, you could, but...
I ain't doing that. No. It ain't worth the risk, because ultimately, when you realize how this product is advancing your goals to home ownership, you're like, why are we cheating to get here when we got here?
You're already cheating by like being above the system, by being above the rest.
Right. Yeah, exactly. And again, CMG, we're the only one that have this product.
It's true.
Yeah.
Actually.
That's why I love it here. So let me ask you this question. Who builds the URL link? Does the client or do we?
The client.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, so the realtor, whenever they set up their portal, they can customize their own link.
Right.
And customer as well can customize their own link.
Okay.
So everyone can, whatever you want to say. Maybe you're like myself and you have a unique personality. And it's one way to describe myself.
Yeah, good word choice.
So if you have a very fun, ostentatious personality, maybe you come up with something just like wild and cool for your link. Or you could not. You'll still have a link. It just won't be as fun.
But it'd be good it'd be good. That is terrible English. It's nice.
It would be good. Hi, y'all. Where's Cup Wave? It'd be real good. Come on down, be real good.
To my point, if you want to be seen with getting help, you would put some things behind it, right? Stories and pictures and fulfill that success, right? Let's talk about that.
Okay.
I mean,
it is customizable. Right? That's cool too.
Right.
Yeah.
But define customizable, because sometimes people, they're like, well, Jimmy just said a link and Marisa just said a link. What do you mean customized? Because they're going to ask that question.
Yeah.
So just drop it.
You can like customize your picture.
Oh. You could put your spouse. You could put your pet, right? You could do that.
Or the future home of your dreams. And you're like, I want to do a manifestation board. You can turn that into your own board and manifest the home that you want by taking a picture of it.
Right.
And putting it as your campaign picture.
I love it.
Yeah, why not?
So let me ask you a question.
Oh, and you can also change the about section where you can write a little bit about your stories. I personally love reading people's about me stories, but God. I'm weird again, so.
You're not weird. But then also if you have some writing issues, there's always ChatGPT to help, right?
Well, you can just call me. I can write it for you too.
Well, she call her. Yeah, she can help, right?
We'll have a conversation. Right. It'll be fun-ish. Depending on my mood, it'll be pretty okay.
Right.
But yeah, I can edit it for you. It's not a big deal.
Looking for insurance to insure your home or automobile? Please contact Alexia at Allstate, located in New Providence, New Jersey, servicing clients in the state of New Jersey. Can you share, in general, right? Can you share a success story where you watched this happen from inception and someone purchased a home?
Can I? Yes, I can.
There you go.
How much time do we have here?
Very short. I know because we're doing our thing with this. We're doing our thing with HomeFundIt.
I only do it all day, every day. How much time do we have? So there was actually a customer. Her name was Adriana Sanchez.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and she was
Going
out.
Public.
Can I say that?
Yeah, well,
she was a customer.
Yeah,
she did. So we did a video on her, like a follow-up.
Okay.
How's it going video.
Okay.
She signed the consent form. So
so we're good.
I think we're good.
So we're good.
I think we're good. Okay. But yeah, so we have a video over her story.
Okay.
And she came in from South America.
Okay.
Had some issues, was living in and out of shelters.
Whoa.
And then she found HomeFundIt.
Okay.
Had a massive rally around her from her community.
Right.
Yeah, and she was able to close on her home. It's really cute.
So the community
she cried. Through. She cried on the testimonial video. She's like, "I'm just so grateful." And I was like, "Girl, yes," because she was literally talking about how she was living in fear, moving from shelter to shelter, and I don't know how many women were in these shelters, but it's new people all the time. And if you have trust issues anyway, she was like, I'm just around a bunch of people who I don't know, I don't trust. I'm moving from one to one to one.
Right.
She's like, I feel like I can finally breathe now that I have a place to call my own.
That's touching. Again,
I'm about to cry now. Just even thinking about it. I'm like, she's so
I didn't
sweet
expect
too.
that one. Wow. Shelter to shelter to HomeFundIt. So it is possible. It can be done. You just have to affirm it, right?
Yeah.
It can be done. Wow. That was a deep one right there. Whoa.
I need some water.
Yeah.
It's a good story. It's a good story.
It is. It's just to what we're talking about, right? I mean, we have the tools.
Yeah.
We have great loan officers at CMG. We have the systems. We have great leadership. Again, our CEO is always thinking about the next step forward to get someone to homeownership. He was also a loan officer at one point. So he's always been projecting what it would look like when it comes to homeownership. And this is why he advocated for some of these tools today.
Definitely.
Because he believes in many getting homes, if it's applicable, right? Let's be careful with that, right? If it's applicable. And one of the reasons, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. One of the reasons why I came to CMG was because of Paul. Paul, yeah.
My boss, my big boss.
Yeah, your big, yeah. Akamadi,
yeah.
right.
Okay.
I saw him
shout out Paul.
Shout out Paul. Yeah. So went to the sales meeting, saw him and said, Paul, I said, look, I'm going to be honest with you, man. I came to CNG because I love what you were doing when it came to that home product, HomeFundIt. Because a lot of us have missteps on, we can't get it, it's not going to happen. And at CMG, we're giving you a tool. And this is not an excuse. This is something really simple. Here's the link. Share with friends and family. Just like that, you have access to home ownership. And he spoke about this on CNBC. When I saw that, and I was just blown away, and I'm looking at him like, he's solving problems.
Yeah.
He's solving problems. And to see how he navigated that conversation and being the person who he is, he's like, nah, it's no big deal. I'm like, what do you mean it's no big deal? And he's like, no, it's no big deal. I'm just doing it. And I'm like, oh my God. And that's what made me feel home, because we're providing home, right? Does that make sense? That's what it is. And this is, again,
pun intended there too.
Yeah. He gave me just laughed at that one. Good. I can appreciate this one, right? I needed that breaking point, right? Because I was going to go right into some more, right?
I was like, home.
Yeah. The link is there. Like, I didn't realize I was connecting the two until it came out. I was like,
the dots were there.
Yeah.
And you took it home.
Yeah. So, again, it's really simple. Like, of course, the protocol of applying for mortgage are still the same, right? You need to have a certain credit profile. You need to have a decent amount of where you're going to source your income. You need to be employed. All the same things that are needed to apply for mortgage. You still have to fit those criterias. However, there is time, because remember, this is a platform that's allowing you to put money into it. So the call is, give me a call first. Let's set up a plan, right?
Yeah.
Let's put things together. Let's align what your goals are, align with what your goals are, what getting money from someplace else to help you get the home that you're looking for, right?
Let's get it. And I mean, here's like the really cool thing. So whenever you do start a HomeFundIt campaign, if you're still like, I don't know what's going on here. I mean, honestly, half the time I'm like, what is going on? Like, how did I get here? Right. How did I get to New Jersey? What's going on?
Because of Jimmy Morgan.
How did I get here? What's
we made this up because we've been talking about this for so long. I wanted Marita to give you all the details of this.
I'm so glad you're saying that, because what I'm going to say is you have full access to not only talk to Jimmy more about HomeFundIt, you have full access to me. Yeah. So if you do have questions, you got people. Right. You can now be like, hey, I got a guy, and his name is Marie.
I got a guy, dude. That part, right?
What's up?
What's up? Yo, what kind of voice? The what's up is your voice you're going to use?
That's my man voice.
That's your man.
What's up? I got a guy. His name's Marie. What's up?
I mean, you see, that will, someone will definitely be fumbling their phone. Like, shit be all over the place. You're like, yo. So, Marie, there are different loan products out there. Can you align HomeFundIt with FHA, VA?
Yeah. Absolutely. Basically, the only thing that HomeFundIt will not couple with is a bonds loan program, like a state bonds loan. I don't know the semantics in and out of it. I just know that we are currently working on getting that resolved. Okay. But as of right now, the only thing it will not work for is bond.
Okay, so another down payment assistance product that's out there within the respective state, right? It won't work.
I'm not licensed, so
I'm speaking to it. She's like, I'm not licensed.
I'm not licensed. Don't ask me.
She did sign
that's exactly what I would say too. I'm not licensed.
Right,
I'm so sorry. No.
I have to answer that question because I am licensed. That said,
that's why you're the man.
Yeah. Yes. So within the respective state, this will not work. But as always, we prefer to use our product because, again, it's not funded by a bond. It's like there's no special underwriting. We do all our underwriting because we're watching you build up this fund to purchase your home.
Definitely.
I mean, wouldn't you rather keep everything in-house anyway? Sometimes with some of these programs, you have to go.
Just gets so messy.
Yeah, it gets crazy. And then when you don't get the house, you're like, well, the lender, like, no, well, you applied for a bond program, so we had to go through another charter to get this verified that you approved for this mortgage and then come back to us, and then we give you the keys. But with HomeFundIt, because we control everything,
bada bing, bada boom.
There we go. I was about to say that.
Get out of
it. It was the timing. Oh my God. So that was a lot. I love it.
We are talking about it.
Yeah, we are. Let's talking about it for real, right? So we got to jump into this. You have a famous influencer friend. I want to big her up. She's from your world, and she's cool. She's doing her thing.
She's
her name is Kindly.
She's kind of a big deal. Kindly is kind of a big deal.
She's gonna share this so we can go to the next level.
Maybe.
What up? Yo, Kindly, make it work. Make it make sense. Come on, I need this. I need you.
It's so funny because we talk about you and I. We have a personal relationship.
Right.
So we'll be on Zoom or whatever, and you're always like, "What did you do this weekend? Did you go have fun?" And I'm like, Jimmy, no, like, I don't have any friends.
But you have Kindly.
But I have one friend.
You have one friend. You have Kindly.
She's like, I'm not even on social media. I have LinkedIn. Does that still count?
That's social. It's some sort of social media.
I was on it last year one time.
What? Was it?
Yeah, kind of a big deal. No.
I was about to utter some
Last
words.
year, I logged in one time, and it was so great.
Right.
So great. But yeah, so I'm always like, okay, well, yeah, I mean, I have a friend and we do some pretty cool stuff.
Right.
And she's always getting the hookup with like, she just gets free passes, like everything. She's
Because
like,
she's Kindly.
she's amazing, right?
Right.
Yeah. So shout out. Maybe
Right.
we'll leave her link below too.
We're gonna have to,
I
right?
don't know.
Yeah.
Is that a thing to do? Is that what people do? Link below.
She's very
Comment below. Subscribe.
Well, for someone
Like,
who's
comment, share.
antisocial, you're really doing a call to action.
Dude, I live on YouTube though. That's my jam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know, I've been doing a lot more on YouTube now, just because
Yeah.
I feel like there's more to explore there. Because you could set time to be like when you want to hear it and when you're not, and then you could just
It's really good for like bathroom time. Just between like all of us. I'll say it. I don't care. I keep it real with you guys. It's great for like when you got some extra time. Get on YouTube.
She said yes. I'm done with you. No, I'm
We're not
melted
thinking
right here.
about
I'm
anything
melted.
else. Might as well play it in the background. Like, yeah, I got a
Unfiltered.
little bit of time for that. What's up?
I mean, it's YouTube is there, you know, and you can also make it your favorite.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Clearly, you know what she does in her bathroom.
This is why I do not have friends.
Yeah.
Again, shout out Kindly for being my friend.
Right.
Wow.
Oh, you're something special.
Thank you.
Yeah. So again, look, HomeFundIt, it's the product, it speaks for itself. It's a game changer. It's solving home affordability. Again, don't be shy about asking because people don't know what you're going through. So as best as you can, explain why you're getting it, share your story. I mean, do what you got to do. Let's get to that home ownership. Let's get that key. Let's all affirm it, man. We got you. We're gonna help you.
No, we really do. And like that's the thing. Like we want to help you succeed.
Right.
And we can help you get there. Like
Yeah.
bottom line, all jokes aside, this was like super fun. However, all seriousness, we can help.
Yeah.
And we want to help.
Right.
So
And we're going to help. Again, it's really simple. Look for Jimmy Joseph, the link, HomeFundIt, start the process, give me a call, and just like that, we're here
I
to
don't
help
know if
you.
that's the right.
Yeah, it's going to be the right today. It's going to be the right today. It's going to be the right today.
I don't know what this
Because
means,
Marie
but
said
we're
it's gonna be
doing
right today. It's going to be right today. I say to say all that. Thank you, Marie, for coming on. Let's talk about it. She came from Nashville to explain what HomeFundIt is. Let me be clear. She traveled this far to let the world know, especially first-time home buyers, what HomeFundIt can do and how it can navigate the key to your home. Let's go. Let's talk about it.
And honestly, I'm passionate about the program, but even more so, I'm passionate about what you're doing, how you're helping your community, how you're helping get the word out about all these loan products.
Right.
I think you're just doing a phenomenal job, and you should be really proud of that. And honestly, if I didn't believe in you, if I didn't believe in all this, I wouldn't have wasted my money to like come out here. So I think you're
Appreciate
killing
you.
it.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
appreciate
like
you.
you're doing good things.
Thank you. It means plenty. Means plenty. Again, for those, if you want to know about Let's Talk About It, find it on your favorite streaming platform. I'm on YouTube. I'm all over. Just type in Let's Talk About It, Jimmy Mortgage. I'm here to help. And let's rock out. Thank you again, Marie, for coming on Let's Talk About It.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you.
Looking for a real estate lawyer servicing all real estate need? Please contact John Georgie, servicing the state of New Jersey.
Hey listeners, are you looking to improve your home comfort and save on your energy bills? Let's talk about Seal Power. They've been awarded Energy Star Sustained Excellence Award seen on Good Morning America, the New York Times, and World News. Seal Power is dedicated to keeping your home cozy while saving money. Check out their website for tips and incentives and more at CIELPOWER.com. Stay comfortable and save with Seal Power, where comfort meets efficiency. Follow them on Instagram for updates and more, and let's talk about it as well. Thank you.